Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. And it looks like this video is upside down, so I will need to rotate it, but I'm not going to edit because, well, I had to go in a couple days ago and delete some videos, but I'm not going to edit this since I'm fixing to go out of town, so I will be back. But I just wanted to make this video real quick. I know I said I was going to announce the giveaway winner. Let's go ahead and close out this budget. I do get paid Wednesday, but since I'm going out of town, I might as well close it out because the money that's left over, yes, y'all, I have leftover money. Can you believe that? Like, can you believe I have leftover money? Now, I wish today was Tuesday, that way I can say, hey, I get paid tomorrow and I still have leftover money, but this is okay. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Y'all, I really haven't been spending. Kind of have not. So let's talk about it. I know we went about and talked about this grocery. So on the 23rd, which was my sister's birthday, she's 3 years older than me, and I said, well, thank you for reminding me that my birthday is in 2 months exact. So my birthday is January the 23rd, her birthday is November 23rd. Went to McDonald's, got a meal, spent $5.46. I got this for Travis since nobody cooked that morning and we were not hungry at all whatsoever. So I was like, do you want something to eat before you go to work? And he was like, yeah, I could eat something. So we stopped at McDonald's. Of course, I went to Arby's, got the gobbler sandwich. It was $11.23. Of course, I had extra stuff, so that's why I was so high. For McDonald's, I did pay in cash. For Arby's, I don't know why I didn't pay in cash. My credit card was like right there, and I just didn't feel like pulling out my wallet, trying to get money out. So that's what happened. On the 22nd, did get gas, and I believe it was $33. The machine, since I did pay at the pump with my credit card, it didn't ask me about any receipt. So the amount that I think is $33, it haven't posted. It's not showing at all just yet. So we're not really sure about the $33. And it looks like my battery is getting low. So that's crazy. Also on the 22nd, I did spend $9 and some change. So $10. Let's see what I have left. And I can't believe I just got to rotate this video and post it. So for miscellaneous, I still have that same $10. I may end up having to use it since I'm going out of town. For gas, I have $7. Now that's not including the $20 that I already had set aside from some money my sister gave me. For grateful, I should have about $97, $98-ish dollars. I know I have change in my backpack, at least $1 in change, but we're not really worried about that change because all the quarters end up going to the laundromat. So for grateful, I should have, I didn't subtract right here. So I should have about $97, $98 if I'm not mistaken. Let me get my calculator, which I don't know where it is, and you probably saw my shoulder, but that's okay. Hang on, stuff is happening. Hold on, let me pause this and see. Okay, so yeah, I should have $98. Like I said, I do have change in my backpack, and I do believe this is about 97. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 96. So right now, I'm grateful have $96, which is I should have 98. But like I said, I got a ton of change in my wallet. For everything else, it is empty. Like I said, I spent that entire $10 that I had in grocery. So there's that for the check-in, which I will go back through, make sure everything is where it needs to go. For the credit card, is it the black binder? Nope, it's this one. So for credit cards, Capital One, haven't used. Discover, the money that I spent right here, that should be $45, is supposed to be in Discover, but looks like I put it in the wrong one. So for this one, I know I should have $45 plus 17, should be $62 for Discover. 20, 40, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, now where is the rest of the cash? Did I get all the cash mixed up? Which, knowing me, I probably did. So hold on. Okay, I figured it out. Discover is the only credit card that I used for grocery, and it does have $45, which I still need to go in and redeem the $3.18. But as long as the envelope have the correct amount of cash, I am okay. Leaders Credit Union, I haven't used that card at all. For Navy Federal, remember I do have the charge for 11/23, and I do have the charge for what? Charge for what? Possibly the gas, which is $33. Hopefully that's right. So I should have about $45 here. So let's see. Everything is way out of order. Hold on. And I'm not sure. So about $45. So we got 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Wait. Messing up already. So we got 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So that amount is correct for the Navy Federal envelope, hopefully. And for the other envelopes, like I said, I haven't used the Leaders Credit Union card, nor have I used my Capital One card. Remember, with Capital One, I do pay for, well, Capital One actually pays for Chris membership, since I do pay my car insurance and all of that, and get enough rewards back to redeem for Chris membership, so I don't have to truly quote unquote pay for that. Discover has the right amount, just in case. It is $33 that I spent. I didn't pump the gas, and Travis did, so we'll see. I'll have to come back to that one. Navy Federal has the right amount as of this moment. Everything else is empty, of course. I still have $10. Everybody else has $0 that I know of. And we have $2 bills in the back. So let's go ahead and see who won the giveaway. I am going to insert a clip in. So email me. No. Matter of fact, send me a message on Instagram with your address. That way I can get this sent out to you as fast as I can. For the 4 people that did hashtag budgeting just because, thank you. I know that you all made it to the end. Everyone else, when I do my giveaways, I do just insert the giveaway anywhere in the video without letting you guys know, hey, I'm going to do a giveaway. So you have to watch the video all the way through just in case. And I do have other things that I will be giving away. I thought about doing a big scratch offs. I do have things that I probably